So folks, in this problem we're asked to synthetically divide this polynomial, this fifth degree polynomial, by x minus 2. So what we're going to determine is what happens if we take 3x to the fifth minus 11x cubed plus x squared minus 7, and we divide it by x minus 2. But what we're going to do in the process of synthetic division is sort of strip away all of the power terms here and only focus on the coefficients for synthetic division. So the way we do this is, if we're going to long divide by x minus 2, that's the same thing as synthetically dividing 2 into this into the coefficients of this particular fifth degree polynomial. Notice that I'm missing a term here, so I'll have to placeholder that. And likewise, I'm missing, let's see, I've got a 1 there. I'm missing a term of degree x, so I'll put a placeholder there of 0 and minus 7. And then remember, when we go to do synthetic division, the way it works is we bring down the first factor here for free, and then we say that when I do this operation, this 2 and 3, that's multiplication, so we get 2 times 3, that gives me 6. And then when I do this operation right here, that's addition. So when I add 0 to 6 together, I get 6. So I'll do 2 times 6, that gives me 12. Then I'll add those two together, that gives me 1. Then I'll do 2 times 1, which is 2. I'll add those together for 3. 2 times 3 is 6. 0 plus 6 is 6. And then I do 2 times 6 for the last multiplication. That gives me 12. And I end up with a remainder of minus 5. So remember that all we're doing is stripping away the power components of this polynomial. We're stripping away the variables and we're just focusing on the coefficients. So one thing important to be able to do is, what have we just checked? Well, we've just shown that if we were to long divide x minus 2 into this polynomial right here, we'd be left with 3x to the, now we're dividing a fifth degree by a linear, so that'd be 3x to the fourth, and then I can get all of the remaining coefficients, and by just laddering down, we get 3x to the fourth, we get 6x cubed, we get plus x squared, we get plus 3x, and plus 6, where I'm getting all of those coefficients from the result of having done the long division. And then our remainder is minus 5 over our original divisor of x minus 2. As a reminder, this technique of synthetic division only works if we're dividing a polynomial by a linear factor, and it does not work if we're dividing by something of some higher order term. I hope this was helpful. One other thing to say, because the remainder wasn't 0, that tells us, so since the remainder wasn't 0, that tells us that x minus 2 is not a factor. And I hope that video was helpful, folks. Thanks.